Play that. Play that if you can. Couldn't get it past. Two slips. Matthew Hayden, you had a... Glorious cover drive. The six. No! That's beautiful. It really is, and that's the gaps you're talking about there. Cricket. Goes across. No! Packed offside. Can. Beautiful shot. It really was. First time Stark's gone short. That's beautiful. It really is, and that's the gaps you're talking about there. Cricket. Goes across. No! Packed offside. Can. Beautiful shot. It really was. First time Stark's gone short. No!
Whoa!
And there we go. There's turn straight.
An opportunity for runs every time for somebody who's in form. What a pickup. And it's actually gone straight to the fielder who was standing in.
Oh, nice, Max.
It's just glorious. He is in form, but...
Oh.
And they're just waiting for deliveries like that inside the power play.
Into the gap.
Damn.
That is unbelievable.
Thick edge. Races down to the fence. 50.
Oh.
Boundaries. There he goes again. Beautiful shot. Use to the feet.
Damn. Nice man.
Much power.
Catch!
That's clever, or is it? May not be clever. The idea was good, but the execution was far from. The resources. Cummins at the moment.
Oh, nice, Max.
For the second time.
Start to look to advance into this. They've got to be scoring it.
In that direction.
All but, Ricky Ponting, all but it's a boundary.
Pressure just starting to build on Afghanistan.
Catch it.
That's it. Very hard. And very quickly onto it.
Catch it. Oh. Oh, nice. Oh.
Watto, if Australia.
It's a pretty safe area to play.
Whoa!
The T20 World Cup at their very best.
Oh.
Afghanistan and...
Might have just taken the
But the other thing,
side.
Oh, nice. Oh.
through those middle overs.
Stark through the tournament has bowling.
Where I want.
What kind of character? 49 ODI hunts. This partnership starting to mount
Oh,
now.
nice, Heady.
The wrong way.
Old Trav.
Bowled him, he advanced, and Stark straight into the stumps, gets his first for the afternoon. And Afghanistan
It's holding together nicely. Howie.
lofted, timed shot of the afternoon, that to get off the mark if he hopes. Stark, and he's full. Oh, just balloons over the top of Inglis. Second time Cummins takes a bit off the pace and just slogs it away. Flighted from Zampa, takes it on, straight down the ground. Asmat, second time he cleared.
A milestone in his head.
Asmatullah looking to attack.
Doesn't get enough on it. Maxwell takes the catch. Zampa gets his first to the after.
They generate so much power through their wrists.
He'll have to hurry. He's home. A moment of great. Swung away sweetly and into the crowd. The acceleration coming now. Nabi pulls it away, top edge, and that has gone a long, long way. I say, hold him, looking to swing Hazelwood away to the leg side. Hazelwood is straight and on target.
Like that.
It's a game of cat and mouse. Rashid has held that away magnificently behind square on the leg side. That is a glory.
Bat.
Goes leg side. Don't think he's got it. He has. Oh, top edge, and it's over short third.
Yeah.
Goes high, goes straight. He has pull that away. What a magnificent shot that is. Umpire will take a look at that, and Rashid Khan can't quite. But
genuine spinners, world-class spinners. If Australia has any kind of deficiency.
Just given some width and an opportunity to get going straight away.
Yeah, just too much.
That's well done. Very beautiful bowling. That is a huge wicket for Afghanistan. Travis Head is an attacking very wide of the crease and into the right hand. David Warner has been dropped a couple of times in the tournament, and it's made a difference. That's really good from Warner. He always seems to make it look a lot wider than.
Right on! Yeah!
Again, we've seen on the surface that when you are given width, there is an opportunity. Where has that gone? It's gone far enough for 6. That's where it's gone. That's unbelievable.
Right on!
Can't find a way. That's just wonderful to watch. You can watch that on repeat all day. We went very short this time, and that is a fantastic hit by Marsh. Is that in front? Umpire Goff says yes, it is. There may be a few questions asked.
Big shouts from behind bowler. Nicely driven by Labuschagne. He just leant into it and caressed it for his opening boundary. Just leaves it alone outside off stump.
So it was a late call.
Oh, got him right through him. Straight through Warner, who goes across the line. Asmat castles him. Out! As McTool's on a hat-trick. English has rolled first pill. Afghanistan.
Ooh, that's a lively bouncer. It's gone fine and will go for 4.
Yes!
He's just a bit slow to take off there, Labuschagne. Powerfully struck by Maxwell in front of square. Wider, fuller, and this time Maxwell drives powerfully through the off.
Sure, unconventional.
Oh, that's so bad.
Close, surely given. Rashid Khan strike.
Pitching outside off impacts in line. The wicket's hitting. I'll get you back on screen when you start.
Has been into this day from the moment he started and led the team. That is a catch. That is a catch. That is a catch and a half. That you've juggled it to stay in control of your act. Oh yes, the fight's on. The fight is on from Glenn Maxwell. That is hit well. He met that half volley with... Another boundary to Maxwell through mid-wicket. He's decided it might...
Slices at it, Maxwell, jogs through, it pitches and it's 4-50 for Glenn Maxwell.
They've played some fantastic.
And straight into the gap from Maxwell. When he's on, he just seems to do it. Smashed away on the onside, over the fielder, over the rope. High, close to the rope, over again. Straight, flat and hard. 10th boundary for Maxwell. This time he goes high, he goes straight, he goes long, does Maxwell.
Today.
Again he gets the length he's after, and again he punches it to the fence. That is sweet. The boundaries might be small here, but he's hitting it so sweet.
Balls.
Oh, he's played that on one leg. How?
Yes, yes, yes. Oh.
Well, if you're going to give him that line and length, all he has to do is stab.
Done it again. Can you believe it? Definitely not threes. He's got forward and towards fine leg. Remarkable
Occasion.
Oh my goodness gracious me! Finishing zones. Oh my goodness me! Where do you get that from? That's gone way back. Way back. Far enough, is it? Yes, it is, by a knee. Thrashes that through the offside for 4 more. They won't stop that either. Their feet. And Maxwell hits it. Oh!